Rehabilitation for former Devadasis in Karnataka is primarily managed through the Devadasi Rehabilitation Program (DRP), which is currently undergoing a major legislative and administrative overhaul to address long standing gaps in support. As of early 2026, the state has conducted a fresh survey to identify undocumented victims and is implementing a new legal framework. The Karnataka Devadasi Prevention, Prohibition, Relief and Rehabilitation Bill 2025. Key rehabilitation schemes and benefits. The Karnataka State Women's Development Corporation (KSWDC) and the Department of Women and Child Development offer several direct benefits to former Devadasis and their families. Slaves of circumstance. According to government data, there are 46,660 former Devadasis in the state, but people on the ground assert that the number is almost double. The cause: family or societal pressure, poverty, illiteracy, hereditary caste. Parents make the decision, an outsider abets them. Problems: Devadasis are subjected to different forms of abuse. Begging and prostitution are associated evils. Poor health, abject poverty, no social support, poor implementation of the schemes for Devadasis. How to break the cycle: holistic education, skill development, economic empowerment, societal empathy, land and shelter, rituals, dedication ceremonies change depending on communities and God. Most common rituals are muttu, kattu, tying the muttu beads chain on the neck of the Devadasi. The way ahead: inclusive policy programs, complete survey of Devadasi families, sensitizing society and empowering families to overcome superstition and societal pressure, awareness campaigns, passing the Devadasi Bill 2018, effective implementation of existing policies and schemes through participatory approach. Monthly pension. Registered ex-Devadasis receive a monthly pension of Rs 30,000, which is directly transferred to their bank accounts. Income generation support. A one-time incentive of Rs 30,000 is provided to encourage self-employment in activities like animal husbandry or small shops. Housing assistance. Under the housing scheme for ex-Devadasis, beneficiaries are provided with secure living spaces. Recent updates aim to prioritize landless Devadasis who were previously ineligible. Marriage incentives. Financial support is provided to the children of Devadasis for their marriage. Scheduled Tribe (ST) incentive. Couples where at least one spouse is from an ST Devadasi family can receive up to Rs 8 lakh, Rs 3 lakh for the groom and 5 lakh for the bride if they marry on or after. Karnataka's new Devadasi law is a step from stigma to empowerment. Scheduled caste SC incentive. Similar financial aid is available for SC Devadasi children to promote social acceptance and reduce caste based stigma. Education for children. The state bears expenses for higher education, including professional and technical courses, and provides need based scholarships for children of Devadasi. The new 2025 legal framework. The Karnataka Devadasi Prevention, Prohibition, Relief and Rehabilitation Bill 2025 shifts the focus from mere prohibition to comprehensive human rights based rehabilitation. Paternal rights. Children of Devadasi women now have the legal right to identify their biological father and claim maintenance and inheritance. Documentation privacy. Father's name disclosure is no longer mandatory for documents like passports, PAN cards, or ration cards. Employment priority. Devadasi families are given priority in government contracts, supplies, and public procurement. Why does the Devadasi system still persist in Karnataka? Religious beliefs. Many families believe dedicating a daughter to a deity brings divine blessings and protects family honor. Social status. Historically respected for their religious and artistic roles, the Devadasi system is still seen by some poor families as a path to social upliftment. Economic vulnerability. Poverty and lack of education force families into dedicating daughters as they have little bargaining power or alternatives. Weak enforcement. Although Karnataka passed laws banning dedication, implementation is uneven and some local authorities turn a blind eye. Cultural inertia. Deep rooted superstitions and social customs make it difficult to eradicate the system quickly. Eligibility and implementation districts. The rehabilitation schemes are actively implemented in 15 districts, primarily in North Karnataka, including Belagavi, Bagalkot, Vijaypura, Raichur, Koppal, and Ballari. Primary eligibility. Women must be permanent residents of Karnataka and recorded in official government surveys 1993 to 94, 2007 to 8, or the most recent 2025 survey. Verification. Beneficiaries are selected by a district committee headed by the district commissioner following spot verification by the social welfare department. The Devadasi system refers to the traditional practice where young girls are dedicated often from birth or early childhood to a Hindu deity or temple. The term Devadasi literally means female servant of God. These girls were ceremonially married to the deity. They were entrusted with temple duties such as performing rituals, caretaking, and classical dance performances like Bharatanatyam. Why calls for fresh survey of Devadasis have ignited both hope and despair in Karnataka.